Hi everyone. Most developers think GitHub Copilot is just an autocomplete tool, but that's a huge mistake. If you only use Copilot to complete a few lines of code, you are probably using just 10% of its real power. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful GitHub Copilot tips and tricks the professional developer used to save hundreds of hours in coding, debugging, and documentation. And trust me, tip number 4 alone can completely change the way you debug the code. So let's jump into it. Tip number 1, you write comments instead of the code. So for example, if I have this Python file available, irrespective of any programming, whenever you are writing some sort of code, start always with the comments that I need to create a function to read CSV files. Okay, so whenever you are writing a code, always first make sure to write these commands, these statements, and automatically you will see the magic that starts to directly write the code, this type of code for you. And this time I have not mentioned what I want to use, like pandas or something. That's why it is directly using the CSV module. Then second thing, Copilot is trained on million of repositories. So when you write high quality intent comments, it understands what you want and what you exactly want to generate. So it is going to generate the complete code according to the requirement. Think of Copilot as a junior developer who reads your comments and write the code for you. Tip number 2, use Copilot to write the unit test cases automatically. So for example, if I have this particular function available and I want to write the unit test cases, so again, you have two choices. Either you can use this chat here over in this particular section, you can mention your whatever the things you want to discuss, or you can directly mention it in the comments. So I prefer to write in the comments directly. So I can write PyTest cases for the read function import PyTest. So it will start doing all these things for you. Let me just quickly import PyTest first here, then this method, and see the code is here. It has already written these test cases for you. Now you just need to write this particular comment and it has been generating these type of test cases for you. You can even mention that how many test cases you actually want to generate. This can save hours of manual testing work, especially in the large code bases. Tip number 3, generate entire function from just the name of function. This is one thing that junior developer generally don't prefer to do, but I'll tell you, the senior developer will always give a proper name to the function. So for example, if I want to create a program just to find out the top k frequent words, so I'll name the function accordingly. Find top k frequent words. I just need two arguments, words, comma, k, and that's it. See, it is going to do the rest of the thing for you directly. You don't have to do anything. You just name the function properly, not even the comment this time. So Copilot will automatically generate the logic for you. And why it works? Copilot actually understands common algorithmic patterns. So if your function name is descriptive enough, it predict the implementation. So always use the long descriptive names. Tip number 4, debug errors with a Copilot chat. So here the Copilot chat will work for you properly. So for example, in case you forgot something, like I don't know if there is a key method or keys method, I don't know if it is going to work for me. So that's where you use the chat properly. So instead of searching errors on the Google or Stack Overflow or even on the chat GPT, I recommend you just go to this Copilot thing and you just need to mention that analyze the code, search for error with a quick fix. But now you have to make sure that it is in the agent mode. If it is not in the agent mode, if it is in the ask mode or plan mode, it's not going to implement the solution for you. If you make it as ask mode, it is simply going to work like ChatGPT. It will generate the solution. That's it. But if you actually make it as an agent, so it will implement that fix for you as well. And then you can also choose, like if you want to use some other models, it's up to you. I'll always keep it auto, and let's hit enter. It will simply analyze the code and automatically it takes the context from this tricks.py file. So this is going to take a while. It is going to analyze the code and it will see if there is some issue with the code. Okay, so identifying an error, that there is an error, it already identified that there is this particular error over here. So it needs to be sorted. And now it has already implemented the solution for you. Now I just need to select keep or undo. Do you want to keep this solution or you don't want? Yes, I want to keep the solution. Click on keep and that's it. You have the solution with you. This is another impressive trick that you can use Copilot for. Now the last step, generate documentation automatically. in most of the companies, you always required to generate the documentations, because after creating any piece of code, after analyzing anything, you're always required to write the documentation for it. So in order to write the documentation is something developer always postpone. Copilot can generate the complete documentation instantly. What you need to do, you just need to put a comment, and you can just ask Copilot that generate a readme file for me. Go back to your chat section, and you can mention that generate a readme documentation for this project. Let's see what it is going to do. It is just going to generate a readme.md file over here, and you will be able to see that it has generated awesome documentation for you. Look at this, readme.md is here. Let's open this, and you can see the documentation has been generated. Now it's up to you if you want to keep this file or if you want to do some changes, and see all the documentation has been generated properly. And another bonus tip for you all, use Copilot to generate SQL queries, regex pattern, Docker files, and even in the CI/CD pipelines. So it will help you a lot. So Copilot will generate complete configurations for you. And if you start using GitHub Copilot like this, it stop being an autocomplete tool and become a true AI coding assistant for you. So next time you write code, remember, write intent as comment, generate test automatically, use descriptive function names, debug with Copilot chat, generate documentation instantly, and you will see hundred of hours of development is saved. Thanks for watching this.